Now, Netball Jamaica, the Jamaica Olympic Association and the Central Caribbean Sports will partner to put on workshops and training sessions for Spanish-speaking countries in the region as a historic move. Netball has been added to the CAC Games for 2023. Denise Walters has more on this development.
For the first time in the history of the Central American and Caribbean CAC Games, netball will be included at the 24th edition that will take place in San Salvador, El Salvador in 2023. An established sport in English-speaking regional countries, with Jamaica ranking 4th in the world, Secretary General and the CEO of the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, Ryan Foster, says plans are in the work to aid the teams of Spanish-speaking countries.
We'll be undertaking educational workshops to look at training and exposure of the technical aspect of netball, the sport of netball via Netball Jamaica, through coaching programs, through seminars, workshops, practicums. All of those things will be engaged between the GOA, Central Caribbean Sport, and Netball Jamaica.
With netball being Jamaica's best team sport, its pedigree is known, and the president of the JOA, Chris Samuda, has no doubt Jamaica will stand out at the Games.
Clearly, we have had a history of success in the sport, and the Caribbean, in fact, has a history of success. What we are going to do now is to ensure that it becomes a game that is played in the Americas.
Despite only Caribbean nations having world rankings, Samuda believes the Central American teams will turn up for the sport.
We expect full participation from the Caribbean, and certainly the game is now being played in certain countries in South America. I expect that there is going to be tremendous interest in South America.
President of Netball Jamaica, Tricia Robinson, says the addition of netball to the Games is welcoming news.
Absolutely fantastic. We get the opportunity to have another event added to our netball calendar, which means more playing time for the ladies, more officiating time for our officials. That is good for the sport.
Netball was added through the advocacy of the JOA to Central Caribbean Sports, which owns the Games. Panama was due to host the 2022 CAC Games from April 22 to May 8, but pulled out in light of COVID-19 concerns. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.